Is she for kids? Somebody tell. Is she for kids? Somebody tell.
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are just coming, I'm Chantel. So in today's video I'll be doing a tutorial for a wing liner tutorial for hooded eyes. So make sure if you want to see more, you stick around to watch till the end. Make sure you subscribe, click the subscribe button down below, it's right down there, it's written in red. Tap the notification bell directly beside it, so that way you can know when I upload new videos and you won't miss out on any other more videos from me. So yeah, and so I know I have a tutorial, a wing liner tutorial on my channel already, but I realized when I rewatched the video, I realized that I didn't explain well about hooded eyes, the technique that it requires for doing a wing liner for hooded eyes. So yeah, it's just, this video is more like an update, so I'll just begin. Then to start the tutorial, I'm taking my Inglot Gel Eyeliner in this number 77. Then I'll be using an angled brush, and this one is from Royal and Langnickel, and you can use any angled brush that you have or any flat liner brush. And then I'm just going to dip the brush into the product. You don't want a lot because this liner is jet black, so just a little bit is enough. Wing liner for hooded eyes, you have to remember that our eye shape is different from a person with like an almond eye shape, whitehead, all of it's different. So we have this fold right here, we have this here that folds over, so you can see when I open my eyes you will see it like that, and when I close my eyes you won't be seeing it. So to do the wing liner, what you want to do is keep your liner outward. Pull it out instead of down, because when you pull the liner down, it's going to close your eyes. It's going to make your eyes look smaller than they already are. So we want to create an illusion that our eyes are wide open and they are a bit bigger. So let me proceed. So I'm going to start by lining my lash line, and I'm starting from the center. So you guys can see, I zoomed the camera a bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I already lined my eyes, lined my lash line, and then I'm going to use this same angle brush. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the shortest part like this. So basically I'm turning the brush this way. I turn the brush that way to do the wing liner. And when I'm doing the wing, I'm going to start right here. And then I'm not pulling it down like that, I'm pulling it out and upward to lift the eye. And I'm not making I'm not doing the stroke one time. I'm just like taking my own little time because we're not on any rush. And it's best to do it slowly. Okay, so that's one line. Then to do it the other way now, I'm going to turn the brush this way. So the tip, I'll be working with the tip to connect this line to the lower lash line. Just like that. So it's like creating a triangle. And then I'm going to fill it in with the remaining product that's on the brush. And just to make the tip of the wing more pointed, I'm just going to bring it out a bit more. Just like that. So you can see that it's not down, it's out. I pull it out and upward. Onto the other eye, I'm going to add some more product onto the brush. Next thing I want to mention is that don't beat yourself up if both of the wings don't match, because 95% of the time when I do my wing liner, both wings are not the same. They are never even. Sometimes one is even longer than the other, but it's not like say anyone is going to walk and stare at your face and stare at your eye makeup and stare at your wing liner. Only way people will notice if you are into photography, if you're going to take a photo and post it on Instagram, that's the only way people will notice. But for me, it doesn't even matter to me. So yeah, let me go ahead and do the other side. So you just can like turn your body sideways like that. Find your angle. Then relax your arms. Then proceed. It's the same step that we did. So you're going to pull it upward. Start at here where the V is. You're starting right here where the V is. Put the pointed part of the brush right here. Do small strokes. And I like to take my wing to like the tail of my brow, but you don't have to make your wing that long. So turn the brush the other way like this, and then connect it to my lash. They're not completely even, but it doesn't matter. So you will find that sometimes one wing might be fatter than one might be thinner than one might be shorter, one might be longer, but it's still a wing. I have an eyelash tutorial up top, so it's right up here where you see suggested, so make sure you click that if you want to learn how to apply your lashes. And let me zoom the camera in, let me zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can see how the wing liner actually looks. This one is a bit different, but no big deal. And this is the perfect way to do it for our hooded eyes. You just make sure that you bring your wing liner outward and up instead of like straight like that or down. No, bring it outward and upward. And yeah, I went off camera and applied my lashes. So that's it for today, guys. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something, learn a tip or two on how to apply your wing liner for hooded eyes. And make sure that you give this video a like if you like it. Make sure you subscribe and comment something in the comment section. If you have a video that you want me to do, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. In the meantime, before you guys leave, check out these other two videos right over here, one up top and down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.